Hello everybody, Max here, welcome back in another video. In this video, I will show you exactly step by step how to buy the products from China using the platform called MuleBuy. If you don't know what MuleBuy is, it's simply a platform that allows you to buy directly from the suppliers from China. Before we used to have the CN funds and also the Panda Buy, now we have MuleBuy. So here we are on the main page on MuleBuy. You've got a link to this in the description, so you simply just need to click on a link and then it redirects you to the platform. As you can see, this is the first thing that you see when you first are on a MuleBuy page. So what I want you to do is to just log in into your account, just register in this icon here if you don't have it. Once you've done this, you simply need the links for your products. So for this, I recommend you to check out my spreadsheet. As you can see in here, we've got hundreds of different products, which are the high quality ones. You get the price in here, you've got everything, you've got the name of the product. You can also just search for the product, just simply click on the command F or Control F if you are on Windows. And let's say maybe Nike. As you can see, you've got some Nikes here. Now when I press on this, it loads in the item and I can just view it. I can see how it all looks like. I've got the photos. I can choose the version of the product and also the size. So it all looks beautiful. Besides the spreadsheet, you can also use many different sources of links. For example, one is Reddit. On Reddit, such as this community, you can look for the products which are high quality, which the users recommend. So you can paste in the link that you want and you can buy it. Also, you can favorite an item like I did here, so you can just keep it for later, do whatever you want to. How do you actually buy this product? So for example, I want to buy these New Balances. So yeah, I want to select the size and also the color. Okay, I've got a color, now let's select the size again. Let's leave a remark because this exact seller requires you to put it in the remark, so I will just simply put on here this number, this one. Let's click on here, I agree, and simply let's click on buy now. So as you can see, the order is confirmed and now we have to confirm the agreement as well. And now we can pay for the product. We can even ask for some extra services like extra photo, for example. And what we pay for is the unit price for the product, the $28, and also the domestic price. So the domestic price is the price that you have to pay for the shipping from the supplier in China to the warehouse. Let's click on confirm and pay. We can either use the balance or we can also use the different online payment methods like Visa or MasterCard or PayPal, Skrill, Klarna or whatever you want to. It's all available in here. Let's pay now. As you can see, the order got completed. So as you can see, purchasing products on MuleBuy is very simple. All you've got to do is to have a connection to the internet and yeah, just the account. Now you know how to buy, now you have the account and you can just simply shop for the items from China like I do. Like this item was $50, this one was $20. This one, the golden goose, I got for $40. So yeah, it's all very cheap. And this one, this Stussy jacket was like 30-ish something dollars, 35 I believe. The quality is amazing, as you can see. It's all looking perfect, as you can see. Check out the link in the description for the sign up to the MuleBuy account and see you in the next video. Bye! Have a great day.